Nathan, what are you doing? Nathan, what you doing?
This is my nephew again. Okay, this one we're going to be putting on YouTube. It's not going to be as long. That one was just for us to look at. So, that's what I wanted to do. Hi, Nathan. Okay. Bye. Well, for me, I don't know about
Bye,
you,
Nathan.
but
Love you.
love you.
No, you're not. Hold it.
You just
Just a minute.